This is the Red River Beach Soil Conservation Project. Stabilization money being used to remove and replace a culvert at the end of Uncle Vini's Road. This is the second project being undertaken by the town of Harwich, DPW. You're looking into the deep pit here, and the men down there with the surveying equipment. This is below sea level where they're working, and of course it has to be taken down to that elevation in order to make room for the culvert that will sit on top. This is a box culvert. It's approximately 4 by 6 feet in the throat of the culvert. Steel coffer dams had to be driven on either end on this project. The last project, which was on Depot Road, they were able to work with water bladder coffer dams, but due to leakage because of the soft subsoil, this necessitated driving steel coffer dams at either end and evacuating. Anyhow, they have it tight here, as you can tell, and the project is moving forward. Plenty of heavy equipment being used, and that's really what these projects are all about.